Hey everybody, 2:31, 6 seconds, April 15th. This is the Cap 117. Over here, the 21 filled spots. I'll quickly roll the 3 dice. Numbers 15, going to randomize 15 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. I'll try my best to get it out in today's mail. Worst case, tomorrow, the 16th. Best of luck. That's 1. Okay. It is, I think random is frozen. So, oh, there we go. There's 1. Well, it's frozen, so I might have to post this, and I'll try to get it going again in a short while. There's 1. Let's see how this works out. There's 2. Okay. 3, 4. Okay, there's 4. Try to walk this into my office. I don't know if I just have a bad signal or what, but this is definitely moving extremely slow. Okay, there's some sort of error message that just popped up for random, so I'm going to have to try this again. Time is 2:32, and my computer froze as well.